Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to warp text in Photoshop 2024 using a quick and creative method that will make your designs stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take any text and bend, curve, or wave it into dynamic shapes, perfect for logos, posters, or just spicing up your social media graphics. Let's dive right in. First up, open Photoshop. If you're doing this for the first time, just find the icon on your desktop or search for Photoshop in your applications. Give it a moment to launch and make sure you've got a new document open. Doesn't matter if it's blank or you're working over a photo. You're just prepping your canvas so you have space to play with your text. Now, look for the text tool on the toolbar. It's that icon that looks like a big T. Click it once, and you'll see your cursor switch. Now, it's ready to create a text box. Go ahead and click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. You can type anything you like, maybe your name, a catchy phrase, or just the word Photoshop to practice. Remember, you can always change your font, size, and color in the top bar before or after you type, so feel free to experiment. The cleaner and bolder your text, the more dramatic the warp effect will look. Once you've typed your text, it's time for the fun part. Move your mouse over the text layer. Make sure it's active in your Layers panel. Now, right-click directly on the text. Don't worry if you're new to right-clicking or if you're on a Mac, you can Control-click and get the same menu. When the menu pops up, look for Warp Text. Selecting this is what unlocks those creative warping features. Think of it like turning your words into clay that you can literally mold into shapes. Next, in the Warp Text dialog, you'll see a Style drop-down at the top. From here, choose Flag. This style will curve your text upward on one end, like a flag waving in the wind. I love this option if you want to add motion or energy to a headline, maybe for an event poster or a logo that needs personality. Below the style, you'll notice three sliders: bend, horizontal distortion, and vertical distortion. This is where you get to customize. Try sliding bend slowly to the right. See how your text arches more dramatically? Or maybe try a subtle bend for a gentle effect. If you want your flag effect to tilt or distort in other directions, play around with the horizontal and vertical sliders. Don't worry if it looks odd at first. These options give you loads of creative control. Take a moment to find the look that fits your project. There's no wrong answer here, so feel free to experiment until it looks just right. Once you're happy with the shape of your warped text, just click OK. That's it. Your text is now stylishly warped and ready for any design. You can always go back and tweak the warp again if you want. The effect is non-destructive until you rasterize the text. So it's super flexible. And there you have it, a quick but powerful way to add some flair and dimension to your text in Photoshop 2024. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to leave any questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. Subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials and creative design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.